Hi, this is Peter Stanley. Welcome to my channel. Today is March 8th, 2021, and this is my pepper grow update. Okay, so I've been moving plants out of the AeroGarden into these wicking systems and also moving them around within the AeroGarden so these aren't blocking light on the smaller ones. I still need to do a little more rearranging. Some of these, like this one's ready to come out. This one, kind of see where I've been scratching out and rewriting where these are. Basically what I've been doing is what I did last year, using these root channel nursery pots with cocoa, and I just do like a little wick loop. And this has got some master blend in it. And it sits down. That's old school boot. Peach Mine Hab. Mango Hab. It's a Reaper Cross Chupatino. Reaper Cross Moruga. Weary there. Jerk Orange. It's the three-way boot, Goldfino, Cusco Market Peru, and Kingston Yellow. So I'll be moving these down to the basement soon, pulling some more of these out. So it's just been kind of the process. Let me go ahead and show you the ones I've got in the basement. So here's my 4x4 tent. This is my Mars Hydro SP250. I don't have it turned on yet. This is my ViparSpectra XS1500. And it's kind of cold down here, so got the heat on real low, but it's maintaining like low 70s. Got two oscillating fans, one up here at the top, and also has some ventilation. So this is a 4-inch AC Infinity Cloudline exhaust fan. It's got a thing where you can just set the speed. It's on low right now, so I'm just circulating. I've got the intake there. That's also a AC Infinity, just a duct fan, bringing fresh air in, and this is pulling out. So I've got circulation going out like that, and then the circulation inside with the fans. I'm going to try to put these in something a little more sturdy soon. They're really easy to tip over, but these wicking cups that I made. That's another Reaper Cross Moruga. That's Ricardo Olive, Langria, Faria Cross, another Peach Mayan Hab, another Reaper Moruga Cross, Peach Mayan Hab. This is a Trinidad Dog Brown, California Reaper, Primo, Primo Cross Chocolate, Reaper Cross Chupatino, it's a Jericho Orange, three-way boot, Goldfino, and another Faria Cross. So I got the light about 22 inches at about 75%, just kind of see how the plants respond. I think this is probably good for right now. Let them get adjusted to it. Probably going to maybe cut some 3-inch holes in wood, set it over like a mixing tray or one of these, just to kind of have something to fit these cups into. Just kind of feed them master blend until I start phasing them outside onto the porch. Then I'll take them out of the cups and just fit them in the 10-20 trays and then bottom water and feed. Right now I think they grow a little bit faster in the wicking setups. These are kind of coming out of a transition period to look pretty good, but they should look a little better after they get used to the setup. But yeah, it's been like super dry out, and I run dehumidifiers in the basement, so the humidity's really low. But once these get growing in an enclosed tent, they produce, they kind of become little humidifiers as they transpire water. So it's good to have a way to vent that out when it gets, I usually would try to maintain it around 50%. But anyway, that's where I'm at right now. So I'm in the process of moving them down here, and within a month or so I'll be putting them out on the porch and bringing them in on cold nights. So far so good. So that's my update. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you liked that. Please like, comment, and subscribe.